Hitting a rainy Eastern Freeway citybound from Springvale Road, the speed drops immediately to 60 kilometers an hour when entering, before bumping up to 80. Merging was an absolute nightmare. In this weather, visibility is low, and absolutely no one slows down to let you in. Cruising past the newly installed pedestrian overpass. They've made some serious progress on this structure over the last few months. Just further down, we pass another pedestrian bridge that's already finished. It actually looks beautiful. Now we're in the heavy engineering zone, and honestly, it's a total mess. Traffic splits into two separate channels right here, directly under the massive concrete flyovers currently under construction. Seeing these towering columns over the traffic in the pouring rain really makes me hope this entire Eastern Freeway upgrade is worth the daily sacrifice. Coming out of the split, it is just a wall of heavy machinery. They've got the massive pile boring rigs out in full force right now, drilling deep into the mud next to the live lanes. In this downpour, the whole site looks incredibly chaotic. From here, the speed limit stays firmly at 80 kilometers an hour all the way to the end. Approaching Alexandra Parade now. Major structural works are supposed to wrap up around late 2026, but expect these 80 zones and construction barriers to stick around until the entire project officially finishes in 2028.